Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, Indian or curry styled fried rice with vegetables and chickpea. Super delicious, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at what we have here today. Rice, there's about 4 cups of rice there cooked. Always use cold rice when you're making fried rice. Hot and warm rice doesn't work out so well, so make sure it's cold. Onion, bell peppers, chickpeas. Now the chickpeas I'm using from a can, so I've got them from a can. If you're using from a can, give them a nice rinse in some cold water. Some frozen peas, garlic, cumin seeds, curry powder, cilantro or coriander. All of the measurements are going to be below in the text. Now I'm using peas and bell pepper. You could be using any other vegetable you want or no vegetables. You can also add some fresh chili to this if you like. I'm going to omit it today. The curry powder is a homemade curry powder. I'll leave the link at the end of that, at the end of the video for you. It'll pop up. We're going to start this off with some oil, add a little bit of salt. That's it. Okay, so I've got a wok here with some oil in it. I'm using a sunflower oil. I'm going to drop in those cumin seeds. And just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse the oil, give it a great, great flavour. Then to that we're going to add our onion. And our garlic. And then we're going to go for about 2 to 3 minutes on a fairly lively or above medium heat. So those onions are just changing colour. Going to add our vegetables now, so in my case it's going to be bell peppers and the frozen garden peas, green peas. Anything goes, eggplant, zucchini, up to you, carrots, celery. You can add whatever you want. I'm just using these 2 today. I'm now going to add some salt. And again, another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Fantastic stuff. Now let's drop in our curry powder. Like I say, that's a homemade curry powder that I've got there. I'll leave the link at the end if I remember. Fabulous. Now we're going to add in our chickpeas. And again, 2 to 3 more minutes. Keep them moving. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Next up, we're going to add our rice. And like I say, always use cold rice. Really makes a big difference. We're now going to go, staying on this same heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep this moving, fry the rice. Only one more ingredient to go, and that's our cilantro or coriander that's going to go in at the end. See you in about 5 minutes. Absolutely wonderful. Off goes the heat. In goes that fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. One last mix, and you've got yourself a super easy, delicious, vegetarian, healthy and vegan, Indian style, curried chickpea rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do leave us a comment. Say hello. We'd like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.